Dear follower of geometric designs, you are welcome to this edition of our tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to set your drawing templates for higher version AutoCAD, like AutoCAD 2016. As you can see here, AutoCAD 2016. Now, in this AutoCAD 2016, whenever you open the drawing board, you have your drawing board looking like this in the default setting. That is for AutoCAD 2016. The same thing applies to AutoCAD 2013, AutoCAD 2014, AutoCAD 2015. As from 2010 upward, AutoCAD drawing board always looks like this in the default position. Now, it is usually a challenge for AutoCAD users changing this drawing board from this default condition to this condition for their 2D drawing. Of course, in AutoCAD 2007, whenever you finish the installation of AutoCAD 2007 and after you've done the cracking and the activation, once you click it open, it always open and look like this. It's usually simple and easy to use. This is one of the reasons why most AutoCAD users resort to the use of AutoCAD 2.7. And they are always afraid of using AutoCAD 2.16, all these higher version up, because of its ambiguous nature. And I'm going to show you how to modify your higher version of AutoCAD drawing template to look simpler like this and make it easier for you to use. Now, let's go to our screen and open AutoCAD 2016. You can see it here. Just double click on it, let it open. We'll have to exercise a little patience while it does. Now, when AutoCAD 2016 opens for the first time, because I just finished this installation newly, this is what it looks like when it opens newly. You just click on this spot, start drawing, click on it. The moment you click on it, it opens like this. Now, the next thing you do is you just move straight to this spot. Can you see here? Just close this board, and then the next thing is to eliminate this big drawing board here. You can see this big command bar to remove them. How do you do that? You move to this spot. Can you see where you have minimize to panel button? Just click on it. 1, click again. 2, click again. 3. You can see it has eliminated that big command bar here. Now the next thing you do is you move straight to this spot. Can you see this spot? Just click on it. You can see this downward arrow. Click on it and scroll down to show menu bar. Click on show menu bar. This is your menu bar. It has just appeared here. The moment this menu bar appears here, move straight to your tool. When you click on your tool, move down to toolbars. From this toolbar, move to AutoCAD, and from AutoCAD, you can now start bringing out your toolbars. For instance, I want to bring out dimension. You can see the dimension bar has just appeared. Then right click at this spot so that the same toolbar will appear again. Then start bringing other toolbars out. Watch how I bring out the ones that I need. For your 2D design, like your floor plan, elevations, roof plan, there are toolbars that are unnecessary and there are toolbars that are necessary. The toolbars that are necessary are the ones that I'm going to bring out now. Watch out. Now that's done. The next thing is to arrange these bars in their respective positions that could be easily reached and be used for the purpose you want them for. Now let me start. Watch how I position them in their respective positions. Now I have positioned them in the areas that I want them to be. Now the next thing you do is you look at this. You go to this spot. You can see here, this is your object snap setting. Just click on it. The moment it opens, already I have already clicked on this object snap. I have already clicked on selector. Assuming you don't, the object snap looks like this. Let's assume you have some of these commands here, not click. What you simply do is just go to selector, to select all of them and then click OK. Once that is done, just off this bar. Now the next thing you do is move to your property. You can see what you have here is your property. Just click on it, it will appear. Then drag it to this spot. Then look for the next one, which is 2 palette window. Click on it, it will come out. Then drag it to this spot and then minimize it a bit so that property bar can also be seen. Now your drawing board, templates and your toolbars have all been positioned to their respective position, which now makes it look like AutoCAD 2007 drawing board. With this, you can start your other designs on this drawing board. As for the setting of drawing limit, I will be teaching that in our next lesson. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching.